Alright, so I keep getting this question all the time. How can I make money online? I'm a beginner and I'm broke. Well, I have good news for you because in today's video I'm gonna share with you 5+ different ways on how you can make money online for free as a beginner, even if you're complete broke and no credit card required. I'm also going to announce a giveaway here in this video, so to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm gonna share with you in today's video on how you can make money online for free, 5+ different ways, even if you are completely broke and you are a beginner. First, a disclaimer, results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. If you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. I'm also going to announce a giveaway later here sometime in this video, and the winner is going to be a winner that are going to get free access to my course, which is Daily List Profits. It's a great course to get started to make $100+ per day. So another reason for you to watch the whole video here, of course. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel as well. It is my IM Tips. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. It is related to make money online, productivity tips and a lot more. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real long-term sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. Alright, for now let's have a look at how we can get started to make money online for free as a complete beginner, even if we are broke. Let's go! Alright guys, so the first and probably the easiest way to get started with is to go to the so-called get paid to click sites. This is a perfect example, gptplanet.com. And you can see here you earn money by completing simple tasks online. It could be as simple as view ads, for example, taking surveys, and some other cool simple stuff here. But you can see also that you are not going to get rich here with these kind of activities. You earn up to 1 cent per click here, for example. So that is why I do recommend, of course, that you have a look at my #1 recommendation here if you are serious about making money online. But don't forget, it's a great way to make some free extra money online while you build your online business there as well. Here's another one, and that is grabpoints.com, and this is pretty similar. You get paid for watching videos, taking paid surveys, and you can see here that some users have made some pretty good amount of money actually, like $674+ here, for example, 533 and so on there. Really easy, super easy actually to get started with this kind of activities. And what I'm going to share with you here is a tip actually. You can focus on the referral program here. I'm going to show you here real soon on how you can make money with the referral section, because this is money on autopilot more or less actually. What you can do is you can go to Facebook, and you can see here, if you just type make money online, for example, there is groups. Look at this, they have 96,000, or here is actually another one, the earn extra income online. There are over 200,000 members online. So what you can do is be clever here. Don't just grab the link and post it straight away. But what you can do is, I just found, you can just type something like, I just found a new site that you can make money online for free by simply watching videos. If you're interested, just type video below. And what you're going to do is you have to private message these people with your link there. Now this is important for 2 reasons. One is that you are going to avoid to get banned, of course, with Facebook. And the second one is that you are going to have people that are more active and really interested in making money online. So these are 2 very important reasons why you're going to do it this way. And you can see if I just scroll down here that there is a lot of people who promote. Okay, so Just use your imagination here, have a look at what is popular, what has a good conversion rate, and do the exact same thing. It's not so hard to do this. Alright, another one that is very easy to actually get started with is affiliate marketing, in my opinion, and you can make some pretty good money totally free actually as well. So you can go to a site like clickbank.com. I am here at the health and fitness section. You can see it is sorted by popularity. So research the Godzilla of offers. This is a popular offer. You can have a look at the details here, but you can also grab the link here straight away and of course promote the offer. So how are you going to promote it? Well, one thing could be that you do the exact same thing here, but you are going to focus on weight loss, of course. And what you can do is type something between the lines here. I'm just going to improvise here that this is how I lost 15 pounds or XYZ pounds in this short amount of time without doing anything at all. It's a proven formula, natural formula or whatever. And if you're interested, just type formula below, okay? And you're going to do the exact same process as I mentioned earlier here. Here's something else, and that is you can be a transcriptionist. I consider it to be a super easy job because all you need is a pair of headphones and you're going to start to type what you hear in audio or video. And you can see here you can earn anywhere from $15 up to $22 per audio hour, and there is actually top monthly earnings as much as $2,200. But you can see that the average monthly earnings are $250. Now a good tip would be to go to more than just this site that you see here and also to freelance sites and offer the exact same service. That is how you make money, okay? So keep that in mind. So you can't just rely on transcribeme.com. Here's something else that you can do, and you can actually build up an Instagram page. I just typed motivation here and you can see Motivation Mondays is a great example. They have 1 million followers here. And of course you can promote like affiliate offers that you could see earlier, but you can also promote shoutouts. So you can actually promote Instagram shoutouts here. And if you just have a quick look at Fiverr, which is one of the most popular freelance sites, look at this for example. I will do shoutout on my 50k Instagram dog page. So you can build a dog page, for example. It's not so hard to do this. And you can offer this service here on Fiverr and other freelance sites as well. And you can also make more money by, let's say, for example, that you have the 24-hour shout out. For 24 hours on my page, you can earn more money. You can see at 22, it's approximately around $25+ when I'm recording this video here. Okay, it is in euro because I'm located in Europe. So this could be actually a great way to make some extra money online. Totally free to build up a free Instagram page. Of course, you can also promote affiliate offers. It depends on the niche a little bit here. Let's move on to another opportunity to make money online for free, and that is to do some small tasks. You can go to a site like mturk.com. And you can see here you can get paid for completing simple tasks like tagging objects, helping companies select the best picture. You can do some data entry, remove duplicate contents from business listings, and a lot more. So mturk.com, and here is another site like rapidworkers.com. You can see here YouTube, vote for this video, 10 cents, follow someone on Twitter. Takes you probably less than a minute and you earn 12 cents. Now, if I've logged in here, you can see that, for example here, Telegram, join channel, do small job. This is an international offer. Takes you probably less than a minute and you earn $1.68. So this is a super easy way taking up on small tasks and make money online. All right, let's move on to something else here. And if I am at Pinterest, you can see here I typed T-shirt design ideas. So what you can do is you can build up actually here a Pinterest account with some T-shirt designs, and you can sell them via Teespring. Now it's not the only way, but it's totally free here. You create your design and you can sell your T-shirt here. You don't have to deal anything at all. All you have to do is take care of the selling. So Pinterest is a great way, actually, one of the ways. Okay, now I mean, you could actually go for t-shirt design here also at Instagram, or if you build a dog niche, you can offer a t-shirt with a dog. I'm just being creative here with you, and here is another option as well. So what you can do is you can go to eBay. If I just go for t-shirt design, you can sell the t-shirts here as well. So you can see that a lot of people, they are selling it here. So I mean, I have gave you a lot of options here on how you can actually sell t-shirt. Something else that is very popular is drop servicing lately. I'm just going to give you an example here. Okay, let's say that you can offer a WordPress site. Okay, and in my opinion, I think that this is one of the easiest ways also to get started right now. You can just go where you are located and offer them to have an online presence. This has been very popular lately. A lot of people during the lockdown, they have started actually to sell online, so you can get started to offer these services. And you can see here a full customized WordPress sites cost us around $100. You can easily sell a customized site for 250 plus, okay? And you don't have to do anything at all. You just have to take care of the selling and contact the seller here later on and build the site there. So it is called drop servicing. There is other ways that you can make money as a freelancer if you are good at logo design, graphic design. There is tons of ways. You might be good at audio editing, video editing. I don't know what your skills are, but this is also another way that you can make money online as a freelancer. And I just showed you also that you don't have to do anything at all of the work there. Let me give you a final opportunity, and that is to download an app. You can go to fope.com, available on both platforms, and you can make extra money with your videos and photos. You can have a look at the details here. I shared this in the past also here. So fope.com is definitely another great way to make some extra money online. Now, as I said earlier here, it is a great way to make extra money online with all these opportunities I shared with you here, but it's not something that will make you rich. Now, if you are interested and serious about making money online, I do have my #1 recommendation that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at right here below as soon as we finish this video, of course. Alright, so let's have a look at the giveaway a little bit here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to pick a winner in the next video, and the winner is going to have access to my course, which is Daily List Profits. And this is about how to make $100 plus per day online. Now, what is required for the giveaway is that, first of all, you must have liked the video. Secondly, you must have watched the whole video. And thirdly, which is also one of the most important, is that you must comment below here. Otherwise, I can't pick you as a winner. So make sure you follow these 3 simple steps to be one of the lucky winner maybe. Alright, if you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit the notification bell, and make sure you check out my other Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.